Hey, what's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome back to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. This is another episode on how you can make money using App USD. Okay, like in my previous video, I teach you how to register. I told you what App USD is all about. So in this video, what I'm going to coach you on how you can fund your account, and the robot here will start trading for you, and you can make a lot of money using this strategy. All right, like I said, that we based on LaunchPad trading. Okay, that's we are participating mostly on this website. Okay, that's LaunchPad. So if you register with this website, all you need to do is just to find a way to message media this group that I'll add you, so that you can learn a lot on this LaunchPad and you can make millions. Okay, I'm serious on this, what I'm saying. If you use my link to register, make sure that you chat me up, let me add you ASAP to that group, so that you can learn a lot. That is paid course, but I'm giving it for free. You are getting it for free. You are learning everything for free. So let's go. Let me show you how you can fund your account. We start with $20. So I click on get started. I click on login. So let me put my email, and all right. So to show you that this website is well secured, anytime you want to log in, you must get OTP. Okay, so let me go to my email to get my OTP. This is it, App USD. I click on that, then I copy the link, the code I mean, then go back, paste it, verify. All right, we are here already. So as you can see, this brand new account. Okay, this brand new account, for me to show you that we start from the scratch. I click on, if you want to deposit. Okay, if you want to deposit, all you need to do is just to click on this three line here. Click on this three line. Okay, this is live trading. Can you see that? Live trading. These people are trading live, arbitrage and LaunchPad here. Can you see that? Can you see it? This is live trading. So you click on this three line, then you come to this subscription. Click on subscription, then you can see what they say, subscribe now. You click on subscribe now. So here you can tell the amount you want to subscribe. If you want to subscribe $20, $40, $80, $200, $300, $1,000 and so on. Okay, you can subscribe. The minimum is 20 to 1 million. Okay, $1 million. So I click on this enter here, enter the amount. Let me say $20. I click on pay. Sorry, before then you come to this choose payment method. That's you are using USDT TRC20. You click on that before you input the amount you want to subscribe on. So let me click on pay. You leave it to load. Just allow it to load. Okay, this is it. You copy the link. This is the TRC20. You are going to make the payment. This is the address here. I click on copy. Okay, then you can go to your Trust Wallet, Binance, or any exchange you have coin. Let me go to my Binance. Okay, I think I have up to 20 something on my Binance. Make sure you keep smashing that subscription button if you love what I'm doing here. if you don't have money on your Binance, you can click on P2P here. Once you click on P2P, then you can buy USDT. Once you buy it, you can use it to trade on this App USD. So I allow you to load. So I click on this P2P, you click on agreed. So this is the accounts. You have $1 in Naira. Okay, I'm using Naira. Okay, you can check it on your own currency. Okay, this is Naira. That's what I'm using. You can buy it from P2P if you don't have USDT on your Binance or on. So let me go and withdraw to that App USD. So I click on my wallet. Once I click on my wallet, okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on where I have the money. Okay, this is where I have the money, funding wallet. I click on funding wallet, then I'll click on withdraw because I'm going to withdraw the 20 USD. So once I click on that, I'll click on this place. Okay, this is 25 USD. I click on that, then I'll click on the withdrawal wallets. So once I click here, what I'm going to do here is where I see address, I paste the address I copy from App USD. So I'll select the network. Remember, the network is TRC20. This is it. Then I will select the amount. Okay, I'm going to select 21 because $1 is for charges. Okay, $1 is for charges, so I'm gonna select 21. So after selecting 21, I'll get 20 USDT. So I click on withdrawal, I get 20.99. I click on confirm. So you cross check. So I click on confirm. Allow it to load. Wow, withdrawal processing. Okay, withdrawal processing. So I'll keep checking it. It's still processing. Please, if you want to register in App USD, make sure you join through the referral link on the description. The link to register is in the description. Make sure you use it to register. And after registration and after funding your account, make sure you send me message so that I can guide you on how you can make more money using LaunchPad. Okay, because there's a lot of money to earn using LaunchPad. Make sure you do that. So let's go back to App USD. Okay, you leave it to load. You get your balance here. It's still processing. Once you withdraw it, you leave it from now till 20 to 30 minutes, you will get your money back to your account. Okay, let me go and check my Binance account to know whether it's still processing. Okay, completed. Can you see that's completed? 20 USD. This is it, completed. So let me go back. I'll be waiting to receive it in my App USD. It's going to come here. So I will be waiting for it to arrive here. Once it arrives, I'll get back to you and you can see it here. So we'll be waiting till then. Okay, like I said before, that I must make sure that I make money here before I can upload it or show you guys. Okay, this is the $20 I posted here. This is the $20. Can you see that? Okay, this is it, and this is the earning amount here. This is a 0.58. okay, this is it. This is to show you that this website is working perfectly. And as you can see here, this is the live trading. This is the live trading. Okay, for you to know that they are buying and selling here. Can you see it? Can you see it here? This is arbitrage and LaunchPad. Can you see that? So this is it. If you must make money here, I want you to do something for me. Register fund with at least $20 and chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm gonna add you to this our very active group. Okay, this is private group and it's paid group, but we are doing it free of charge. Okay, we just want to make sure that a lot of people earn money here, and I'm gonna add more money. Okay, as you can see here, I'm gonna add more money here for you to know that this is serious business. Okay, I'm gonna add more money here and I will be showing you the results. Okay, this is it, $1 here. This is $1 here. So this website is really working. This website is really working. Make sure that you use my referral link after registration, then chat me up on the description below. You will see my WhatsApp link there. You chat me up, then I will add you up so that we can make this money together. We are doing Zoom meeting tomorrow. Okay, so make sure you register, fund your account, join me so that I can link you up so that we can make this money together. This is their academy where you can learn how to trade App USD, where you can learn how to trade arbitrage, and you can also learn how you can trade this particular LaunchPad. Okay, so make sure you join me so that we can enjoy everything together. Okay, so thank you. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Peace out.